In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts to an Odoo website. If you want to make your website more engaging and visually informative, adding a chart is a great way to do it. Charts can help present data clearly, whether you're showing performance, comparisons, or simple trends. The good news is that Odoo makes this process very straightforward, and in just a few moments you can place a chart directly onto your website page and customize it to match your needs. To get started, open your Odoo website and go into the website section. Once you're on the page where you want the chart to appear, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click Edit. This will switch the page into editing mode, which allows you to add and modify content directly on the page. If you don't enter edit mode first, you won't be able to access the design tools needed for this process. After that, move over to the panel on the right side of the screen. In this panel, select the Blocks tab. This area contains all the building elements you can use to design your Odoo website, including text sections, images, banners, and more advanced elements like charts. Take a moment to scroll through the available options until you find the chart element. Once you locate the chart element, drag it from the panel and drop it onto your website page wherever you want it to appear. As you place it, try to think about where it will be most useful and easiest for visitors to understand. For example, charts usually work best in sections where you're presenting data or supporting a point with a visual summary. When the chart has been added to the page, click directly on it to begin editing and configuring it. This is where you can adjust it to the way you want. Depending on the options available in your Odoo setup, you may be able to change the chart style, the displayed data, the labels, and the overall appearance. It's a good idea to keep the design clean and readable so that the information is easy to understand at a glance. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save. This will apply your changes and publish the updated version of the page. And that's it! Your chart is now added to your Odoo website. With just a few simple actions, you can make your website look more professional and much more informative.